Today we're talking about Snappy adjustable 90-degree elbows. Oftentimes they ship in a straight like this. They package much nicer, less damage in handling. When you're ready to install, you're going to find that there's a crimped end which goes inside of the other end. The way to adjust them up is simply rotate the door like this until they make whatever desired angle you want. You can go 45 degrees, just going around, make a 90-degree L like this. Elbows are used to turn corners on duct branch lines. They can be used right off the takeoff if necessary. Oftentimes it's to change directions on the duct run as it goes through the house. You can use 90-degree turns on a lot of areas. Oftentimes the register box is already made to turn the last 90 degree. This one goes one way, and this one of course goes the other. They've already got the 90-degree turn, but oftentimes you're going to have a register box that is just straight like this one. And it could be a floor register where you're L'ing up from below. It could be a ceiling register where you're turning from above. But the goal here is to either connect your metal pipe and make this final connection, or in some markets you could be connecting other duct material. So once you've got it adjusted, the crimp end simply goes into the collar. 3 screws is what is typically required by code. And you want to use a good screw shooter gun with a clutch in it. These will slip so you don't strip the screw out like that. So once you get it in there, you just simply set the screw. Magnetic bits are also handy when you're doing this. And one more screw. So now that we've got the elbow installed in whatever the fitting is, in this case register box, it is required by code in almost every area, and it's certainly a good idea to seal with a good mastic. We recommend that you get a good quality mastic that will stay pliable. You simply paint the seams like this. And each of these adjustable gores needs to also be painted. That'll seal them up and you guarantee that you get all of your airflow to the room where you like it. And that's how you install an elbow.